In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams two-factor authentication. Let's start by understanding the importance of two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in securing your Microsoft Teams account. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a second form of verification. This keeps your information safe from unauthorized access. First, we're going to access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, where all the magic happens. Open your favorite web browser and go to the URL for Microsoft 365. You'll need to enter your admin credentials to log in, so make sure you have those on hand. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The Admin Center is home to various resources and tools that keep your organization running smoothly, so it's worth spending some time getting acquainted with its layout. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane. You'll see a series of categories and options. We want to focus on the Users section, so go ahead and click on that to expand it. This is where you can manage not just individuals, but also groups within your organization. Look for the Active Users option and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the active users in your Microsoft 365 environment. Here comes the fun part, finding the specific user whose two-factor authentication settings you want to change. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the individual. Type in the user's name or email address, and once you've found them, click on their name to open their profile. Inside the user's profile, you'll see multiple options and tabs. Focus on the Manage Multi-Factor Authentication link, usually located on the right-hand side or as a drop-down option. Click this link to open the multi-factor authentication settings. This page gives you a complete overview of the user's current multi-factor authentication status and options. To make your changes, look for the Quick Steps area and click on Enable or Disable, depending on your objectives. If you're setting up 2FA for the first time, you'll click Enable. If you're making changes or troubleshooting issues, ensure you're selecting the right option that fits your needs. Remember, enabling 2FA means the user will need to complete a second step whenever they sign in, adding that essential layer of protection to their account. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the two-factor authentication settings for a Microsoft Teams user. Before signing off, it's always a good idea to inform the team member about the changes. Communicate any necessary instructions or updates so they're aware of what to expect the next time they log in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to safeguard your accounts with two-factor authentication. It's a small step that makes a big difference in security.